So today I'm going to teach you how to use the Dew Drop Diffuser. This is one of our 4 diffusers that come with the Premium Starter Kit. So when you opened up your box and you kind of looked around, you saw that it comes apart into 3 different pieces. The plug is in the back, and then you just plug it in and plug it into the wall. It does have a vent on the bottom, so you want to make sure and set that on a hard surface. If you set it on a towel or anything like that, it can really get caught up in it and it's no good. So you want to be careful about that. There is a little red dot inside of it, and that is your fill line. So you don't want the water to go any higher than that. If the water goes higher than that, it actually is it kind of will spill over. Now you don't have to fill up to the red line, but you don't want to go past that red line. And you can just use regular tap water. You don't have to use filtered water or anything like that. Tap water is just fine. So a lot of times I just stick it under the sink and fill it in, fill it up as high as I need to. So if you are going to fill it all the way to the top, usually that is when it tells you, when the booklet tells you, recommends anywhere between 5 and 10 drops of oil. It's based on filling it all the way up to the top. So I'm gonna put some water in, and again, you don't want to go past that red line. And you can just, like I said, I usually just put it under the sink and I fill it up that way. So when you put your oils in, you can do just a single oil, you can do a blend, which I've got some other videos that talk about what to diffuse and when, but I'm just going to put a little bit of lemon in here to show you how that works. And all you do is you put in drops of oil. So when you tip over the oil bottle, let me come a little closer so you can see, there actually, the oil kind of drops out 1 drop at a time. You'll notice if it'll come. Sometimes it's a little stubborn. There it comes. So that's just 1 drop of oil. And then, like I said, you would do anywhere between 5 and 10 drops, just depending on how strong you want it to be. So I'm going to put in 5. Just because you don't smell the oil doesn't mean it's not working. I just like to sometimes I like to have it a little bit stronger just so you can smell it. So that's 1 drop, and then I'll do, and this is really being stubborn, 2. There they come. 3, 4, 5. Now you don't have to shake it the way I'm shaking it with most of them. This bottle is actually, it's almost at the end of the bottle, so that's probably why it's not coming out super easily. And you'll find that some oils come out really fast, and like peppermint is kind of thin, so it kind of comes out really fast. But then oils like vetiver is a really thick oil, and so it comes out super slow. And so you put your drops in, and then the smaller piece goes on top, and then you put the bigger cone right on top of that. Now, to run the diffuser, it actually has 2 different settings. The Dew Drop Diffuser has 2 different settings. It'll run 4 hours continuously, but it'll run with the light on, like it is right here. And then it'll also run with the light off. Now to turn the light off, of course I click this button to turn it on once, but to turn the light off, I click it 1 more time, and you'll notice that it's actually still diffusing. So this Dew Drop Diffuser will actually run 4 hours continuously. And if you fill your water all the way up to that red dot, it will actually, you'll probably get even another hour or 2 out of what's left in the basin. So a lot of times, like, I'll turn it on in the morning, and then I will let it diffuse. 4 hours later, it turns itself off when it's done diffusing. And then I'll just hit the button again and let it run another couple hours until all the oils are gone. So that's the Dew Drop Diffuser. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that definitely helps.